Good morning, everybody. This is Carrie from Inspired ADUs, and I wanted to give you a preview of the upcoming Peninsula ADU tour. Our team has been working super hard to get a bunch of wonderful ADUs from all different architects and builders and designers from different sizes, different construction ideas, and have curated a pretty great event for you on August 10th. So we have got everything from this basement conversion over here. We have a pretty interesting multifamily project where they took parking areas that were down below. So these were open carports and they've made them into ADUs. And then we're going to switch over to this beautiful ADU that was built by Intergram. I think it's going to be pretty exciting. It's one that's on my list to see. I love the shape, clean lines, nice design. You can see the transom windows. The tour's intent is to get you thinking about what is an ADU right for you? How do you want to use it? Who is going to use it? And the thing with ADUs that's interesting is, who they're for today might be really different in 5 years or 10 years. So it's an interesting challenge to think about how you're going to design the space to evolve with your family and your needs. And they're pretty flexible, wonderful little cottages. So what we're hoping to do on the tour is expose you to a bunch of different builders, a bunch of different designers, talk to real homeowners. This is another one that Vitalized Builds put into the mix. It's super interesting. I love the form. So I'm excited to see what this feels like inside. It's just wrapping up construction. But getting you to ask the questions. And then after the event, there's going to be a fair that we're working on with Redwood City, and you can come down, you can talk to lenders, surveyors, engineers, architects, designers, and really pull together your project team and figure out what's the right move for you. A lot of people are excited about modular. This is our modular Millie. She's going to be on the tour, but they're, not for everybody, and you have to crane them in, which adds some restraints in terms of your space. So it's a great way to kind of see similar yards and say, is this going to be the right solution for me, or do I need to think of a different strategy? We do have one junior ADU on the tour. The junior ADU is one that is inside the existing footprint of the house. So you can see here that we've got this garage. We actually moved the garage out and then begin to kind of sculpt what was behind it. So back in here under the roof line is a junior ADU. So we hope you'll think about coming to the tour. I think it's going to be a really educational event. And it's always fun to kind of peek inside other people's houses. So we hope you get your tickets. Oh, I forgot there's this neat one from Studio Shed that they've put in that I haven't seen yet. And a great 2-story one that's still under construction by ADU Collective. So this one seems really neat. It's got this great loft space. So, what's the right design for you? Who's the right team? What's the right type of ADU? There's a lot of questions, and these tours can just really help you open your eyes and see, what's going to work for you. So we look forward to seeing you there. Take care. Let's all build more ADUs. Lots of work for everybody.